Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Look what I got for you today. 1978 Chevrolet four-wheel drive pickup truck and a little surprise under the hood. Yeah, she's got LS power. Let's take a nice close look. The grill's all blacked out looking good. The chrome is looking good. The grill itself is all looking just sweet as can be, man. That Chevrolet bow tie there in the middle. The lenses on the clearance lights are also looking sweet. She's got some great looking lines on that hood. That red paint is popping, and I tell you what, the gray accents going down the side really set it off. I mean, she is looking beautiful. We're gonna peek inside the window here and take a look at that interior, man. Doesn't that interior look sweet, man? That center console, drink holders in there. It's got some nice padding on the dash. Just everything about the truck just looking beautiful. We got aftermarket gauges in there. And then look inside the bed here. The bed has got like a rhino lining on it, and it's the same color as the truck, which is looking super sweet. Tailgate's in beautiful shape. You know, any pickup truck takes a beating on the tailgate. This baby's looking beautiful. Look down that passenger side, nice and straight. I tell you, she is just absolutely gorgeous. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So that means we own this truck, so you know we did our homework before we bought it. First thing that happens, everything here at Vanguard, is they go up on the lift so we can take pictures, do our inspection, and do our video, so you know exactly what your dream's gonna look like when we park it in your driveway. All right, let's take this baby for a ride. We got LS power, we got four-wheel drive, we got a 78 here. Now I tell the story about these all the time. I pretty much drove about 1 million miles in one of these trucks. My dad had one of these. Remember the diesel trucks back in the day? I'll tell you what, I wish that thing had an LS in it like this does, because that old diesel truck was the slowest thing on the road, man. We drove, my dad and I drag raced it between a semi-truck with a Detroit diesel in it. It was one of them big ones though. It was one of those 8V92s. But I tell you what, I was driving a semi-truck and I whipped his ass in that pickup truck. That thing was so slow. I mean, the truck was pretty fast too, but man, that thing was slow. So tell me some stories about Chevrolet pickup trucks that you've got. But I did drive that truck. I don't know, I drove it all over the damn country, man. I was everywhere in that thing, so I really feel comfortable sitting in this thing. Just absolutely badass truck. Of course, Dad's wasn't four-wheel drive. Back then, man, you had to be somebody special to have a four-wheel drive. So this thing's also short wheelbase. That's cool. There's these semi-truck drivers. I know you guys that watch these videos all the time, man. These guys have such a problem backing into this dock. We're going to set up a little sign out here, so backup lessons. Maybe we give these guys a few lessons on how to get these things up to the dock. Now, it is about 90 degrees out today, and we got the windows down so you can hear the way the motor's running. But we also have the air conditioning on, and believe it or not, it is putting out super cold air. It's actually cooling down the cab, and we got the windows open. So she's sweet. Now it's got aftermarket gauges in the stock dash surround, which is looking sweet. Looks like all those gauges are working also. And then the red paint on that hood, man, does it look good. I'll tell you what, this is a show. Go to the sand dunes, take it out mudding. Of course, if you take this baby out mudding, you're gonna have some washing to do. She is a beauty, babe. Now, we're gonna head back to the shop right now where we're gonna put this baby up in the air so you can check out the bottom side. Hey, this is JD's phone. It looks like Cody's calling him to find out where the phone's at. Anyway, we are heading back to the showroom here. We're gonna put it in the air. We're gonna show you what the bottom side of this beauty looks like. We just don't have to tell Cody, hey Cody, you're interrupting our video. All right, we're gonna put it in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this 78 now, and man, she's clean under here. Look at that. New tank. Look at the paintwork on the bottom side of the floor there. That bed floor looks brand new. Then of course, brand new exhaust. Right around a 340 gear in here, and it is an open rear end. Looks like it's got new shocks, and the guys pull the drums off. Check out the brakes on every car and truck. Make sure everything's in good working order. You can see the bed just looks beautiful. I see the fuel filter and fuel pump is mounted up there in the frame. So if you're ever hunting that, it's up in there. Everything under here. Cab corners look good. Backside of the boxes here look good. Real nice and clean. And then we got the 4L80E trans. You can tell it is because it's about 9 miles long. I mean, the damn trans is almost as long as the bed on the truck. Then of course we got the LS power up front. We got the same gear up front here. We got disc brakes up front. We got a big sway bar here. You see new sway bar links here. We got new bushings in here. Bottom side of the motor's all nice and clean. Bumper looks like it's definitely brand new because it's just as clean on the back as it is on the front. And then we got brand new BFGs, my favorite tire. You get these things down in the mud, get them in the snow, whatever. When I run my construction business, it's the only tire we put on our construction trucks. I might be able to find the size here in a minute. Saying the bottom. I still can't see it. There it is. These are 3110 50 15s. As you look down, actually that's 3110 5s. I'm looking at it upside down. I knew that didn't sound right. When you look down the side there, everything looking sweet. We got one little touch up we need to make on the rocker right there, no problem whatsoever. Out back here, the wheels are all polished up and looking good, and of course the tires are the same size. Look at that wheel well up there. Look how nice and clean that is. I mean, it looks like a brand new truck. Well, we're gonna lower this baby down and take a look at that LS power plant up front. All right, under the hood here, we got 5.3 power, and it's got a Holley sniper unit sitting on top. Look at that. You wanna talk about sweet, man. We got the exposed coils up there, all looking sweet. I tell you, pop the hood of this baby, you're gonna wanna show this all off, man. That firewall is all painted up, looking good. We got power brakes, power steering, of course, serpentine belt set up here. Bottom side of the hood's all nicely painted. We got a cold air setup here. All the bracketry there looks like it's aluminum, all aftermarket stuff, looking sweet. This Holley sniper unit really looking sweet, man. I tell you what, everything under here just beautiful, guys. So she's a 78, she's a Chevrolet, she's a K-10. It's been upgraded to a 5.3 with that Holley sniper setup on it. Guys, give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.